So as you can see here, I'm going to prepare the soil for my vegetable garden with some cow manure and some sheep manure, and also add some soil, some black soil, better soil there, just to help for the vegetables. So I'm going to open up the bag here. So this is a little investment that's really useful here because the soil here is not very rich, and right under that soil there's just rocks. So that's why you have to add some more add-ons for your vegetable garden. But the next years that won't be necessary after, with all the compost and good soil making through. So now you see I've spread all the manure and the better soil all around here, and I started my potato row ready there, so that's gonna be perfect. And the second thing that's great is that it's planned to rain tonight, so that's gonna really help me work out my soil much more better. It was a little bit of work, but you can't be lazy for this kind of stuff, as you can see. So don't forget to subscribe to my do-it-yourself easy garden channel. Just remember, this is not my job, but I like working hard, and at the same time, if I can save money with vegetables, it's a great deal. So all the investment I'm putting here in the garden, of course, I won't have to put it the next years. Hi everyone, so I'm going to put my potatoes in because the soil is ready, I'd say. I have two species of potatoes I'm going to put in. I have the Norrland, the small ones that you can see right here. So I kept in the fridge like for 3 months, so that's good. And we have this exceptional type of potato called the Prosper that my dad gave me. They're huge, huge potatoes. I kept them in the garage. Look how good they look like. So this is perfect for cooking. And there's a lot of stuff having huge potatoes here. So I'm going to put them in. Even some I can cut in two. They'll also grow. So as you see, I'm going to cover them now. So you have to create a kind of amount of soil right here so they can make a lot of potatoes. So here's the Prosper. My dad gave me, they're fantastic. Put them back in here. And right here you can see the Northland right there. So I'm going to cover this one up here, as you can see. Here we go. So you just have to do all the rest there, and after, enjoy the harvest. As you see, I finished putting in all the potatoes. They're all in there, the Norrland and the Prosper. But I'm probably going to do another row of potatoes, because who doesn't like potatoes? We love potatoes. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Do It Yourself Easy Garden, just to check on how things are going in my garden.